How to find message reminder notification settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. Easy and quick. First open VK and now click on your this icon here, a hub, and then click these three lines, and then once you're here click settings, and now click notifications, and now click message reminders, and here you can manage message reminders. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.